About how to use T20D. Connect the signal interface of the vacuum cleaner. Connect the other end to the vacuum cleaner. Connect air tube. Connect the power cable to the vacuum cleaner. Connect the power cable to the T20D. Connect the hose to the vacuum cleaner. Connect the hose of the vacuum cleaner to the T20D. Turn on the T20D. Plug in mouse. Plug in USB. Click Load milling material. Milling zirconia block. Install zirconia block milling burr. D2.0 in T01, D1.0 in T02, D0.6 in 03. Import zirconia block milling program from USB. Select the zirconia block milling program. Imported just now and click Start. Milling wax. Install wax milling burr. D2.0 in T01, D1.0 in T02, D0.6 in 03. Import wax milling program from USB. Select the wax milling program. Imported just now and click Start. Milling PEEK. Install PEEK milling burr. D2.0 in T01, D1.0 in T02, D0.6 in 03. Import PEEK milling program from USB. Select the PEEK milling program. Imported just now and click Start. Milling PMMA. Install PMMA milling burr.D2.0 in T01, D1.0 in T02, D0.6 in 03. Import PEEK milling program from USB. Select the PEEK milling program. Imported just now and click Start. Check the service life of milling burrs. It shows how much time milling this file needs. It can mill from stop line continually if happen outage. No need to mill foam first step. Save time for you. Auto calibration function. A metal rod is required to connect the signal of the spindle and the A-axis.